Hello, I'm Richard.
I'm Govind.
I'm Donna.
And I'm Daniel. We present InNexo, the solution to tutorial.
What a relief. I'm tired of seeing students wander around campus during school time.
Well, they're not alone. Last year, about 10% of the students at Santa Teresa missed more than 30 minutes of school time, such as tutorial, on 15 occasions.
This is bad for everyone. Bad for the 2,300 students who risk losing learning time, bad for the teachers who have to go hunting after these students, and bad for the school, which risks losing funding.
There are solutions, but paper passes are easily faked and lack security. What we need is a device that can sign students in and out with less supervision. There is Teach More, but teachers complain that it is not user-friendly and that you can only sign in students.
That's where InNexo comes in. Our product uses radio waves to identify students through chips in their IDs. It consists of a tiny computer and a sensor mounted on doorways. When the student scans their ID, it logs their passing and creates a map of student locations.
And on top of that, our product is $80,000 cheaper to implement than Teach More. On top of that, students can sign in and out with ease. Administrators can access student locations anytime, anywhere with our friendly user interface.
Here is our dashboard. Teachers can see where and when students signed in and out with ease. We also have options for manual sign-ins, maximum student quotas, and for seeing the locations of the students in your fourth period roster.
And this website is not only functional and beautiful, but it's also very easy to use. You take the scanner and you scan the ID. It's easy.
And we are planning to implement this through inexpensive radio frequency IDs and teacher dashboard access. Hopefully, when we gain access to student databases and rooms geolocations, we can integrate this into our school.
With your support, we'll make tutorial what it should be: simple. Thank you.